Ever wonder how to start your own tilapia farm? Welcome to Farming Know-How, where we share insights on all things farming. Today, we're diving into the world of tilapia farming. Tilapia farming is more than just a business. It's a way to contribute to a sustainable future. Tilapia, a warm-water fish native to Africa, has become a staple in aquaculture worldwide. It's one of the most farmed fish globally, and for good reasons. Not only is tilapia delicious, but it's also highly nutritious, packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals. But what makes tilapia farming truly special is its potential for profitability and sustainability. Tilapia are robust fish that can thrive in various environments, from fresh to brackish water. They reproduce quickly, mature fast, and have a high feed conversion ratio. This means that with the right conditions and proper management, you can have a bountiful harvest in just a few months. Moreover, tilapia farming has a lower environmental footprint compared to other forms of animal farming. Tilapia can be fed with plant-based feeds, reducing the need for fishing in the wild. Plus, their waste can be used as fertilizer for crops, creating a closed-loop system that minimizes waste and maximizes resource use. Yet despite these benefits, starting a tilapia farm can be a daunting task. There are many factors to consider, from choosing the right species of tilapia to setting up your farm, caring for your fish, and selling your harvest. But don't worry, we're here to guide you every step of the way. So whether you're an experienced farmer looking for a new venture, or a beginner wanting to dip your toes into aquaculture, this video is for you. We're going to explore the ins and outs of tilapia farming, give you practical tips, and hopefully inspire you to embark on this exciting journey. Before we move forward, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more farming tips and insights. By the end of this video, you will have the basic knowledge to start your own tilapia farm. So stay tuned as we dive deeper into the world of tilapia farming for beginners. Farm with Tilapia 2024. Why would someone want to start a tilapia farm, you might ask? Well, there are a multitude of reasons, but let's focus on three compelling ones. Firstly, tilapia are known for their incredible hardiness. These fish are survivors, capable of thriving in a variety of conditions, which makes them an excellent choice for beginners who are still learning the ropes. Secondly, they grow at an impressively fast rate. Within a matter of months, you can have a fully matured tilapia ready for harvest. This quick turnaround time allows for frequent production cycles and a steady income stream. Lastly, the market demand for tilapia is sky high. It's a popular choice in many cuisines worldwide, and its mild taste and firm texture make it a versatile ingredient in countless dishes. So, hardiness, fast growth, and high demand. These are the reasons why tilapia farming could be the perfect fit for you. Now, understanding the reasons, are you ready to dive deeper? Did you know there are different species of tilapia? That's right, folks. Tilapia isn't a one-size-fits-all term. There are several species within this family of fish, each with their unique characteristics and specific farming requirements. Let's dive in and get to know them a little better. Firstly, there's the Nile tilapia, also known as Oreochromis niloticus. This is the champion of tilapia farming, the most widely cultivated species worldwide. Why, you ask? Well, it's all down to their fast growth rate and their ability to adapt to a wide range of environmental conditions. Next, we have the blue tilapia, or Oreochromis aureus. These fish are particularly popular in North America. The blue tilapia's claim to fame is their cold tolerance. Unlike most other tilapia species, they can survive in cooler water temperatures, making them a great choice for farmers in climates that aren't perpetually tropical. Then there's the Mozambique tilapia, or Oreochromis mozambicus. These fish are native to southern Africa but have found their way into farms across the globe. They're known for their ability to tolerate high salinity waters, so they're a good pick if you're farming in coastal or brackish water environments. And lastly, let's not forget the red tilapia. These are not a natural species but rather a hybrid, bred for their attractive coloration. While their growth rate and hardiness are somewhat less than the Nile tilapia, their unique appearance makes them a favorite in the ornamental and restaurant markets. Each of these species has its own set of needs, its own preferred conditions. Some grow fast, some can handle the cold, some love salty water, and some just look pretty. But understanding these differences, knowing the specific needs of the species you're working with, is key to successful tilapia farming. So remember, folks, finding the right species is the first step towards successful tilapia farming. Ready to set up your tilapia farm? Here's how. Let's dive in, shall we? First things first, choosing a location for your farm. It's crucial to select a place with plenty of sunlight, as tilapia thrive in warmer water. Also, consider a location with easy access to water and electricity, as these will be crucial for maintaining your farm. Now, let's talk about setting up the pond or tank. If you're starting small, you might consider a tank, which can be set up virtually anywhere and offers easy control over water conditions. A larger-scale farm would benefit from a pond, which can support a larger number of tilapia but requires more maintenance. Whichever you choose, ensure it's deep enough for the tilapia to swim comfortably, usually around 1 to 2 meters. With your pond or tank in place, it's time to prepare the water. Tilapia are hardy fish, but they do best in water with a pH level between 6 and 9. It's a good idea to test the water regularly to ensure these levels remain stable. Temperature is another key factor. Aim for a water temperature between 24 and 29 degrees Celsius, as this is the optimal range for tilapia growth. Next, you'll want to set up a filtration system to keep the water clean. This can be as simple as a mechanical filter to remove solid waste, or as complex as a biological filter to break down harmful chemicals. It's also wise to have a backup system in place in case of failure. Lastly, consider the feeding system. Automatic feeders can save time and ensure your tilapia are fed consistently. Remember, a well-fed tilapia is a happy tilapia. So you've chosen your location, set up your pond or tank, prepared the water, arranged for filtration and feeding systems. It might seem like a lot, but take it step by step and soon, you'll have a thriving tilapia farm. With your farm set up, you're ready for the next step, getting your tilapia. Let's talk about getting your tilapia and taking care of them. So, you've decided to venture into the world of tilapia farming. You've set up your farm, and now it's time to populate it with the star of the show, the tilapia. But where do you get these aquatic wonders? Your best bet is to source your tilapia from a certified hatchery. This way you're assured that you're starting with healthy, disease-free stock. Once you've got your tilapia, the next step is introducing them to your farm. This isn't as simple as just tipping a bucket into your pond. You'll need to acclimate them first. This is done by gradually introducing them to the water in your pond over a period of few hours. This helps the fish adapt to the new water conditions and reduces the risk of shock, which can be detrimental to their health. Now let's delve into the basics of tilapia care. Feeding is an essential part of this process. Tilapia are omnivorous, meaning they eat both plants and small animals. A diet of high-quality pellets designed specifically for tilapia will provide them with the nutrients they need to grow and thrive. However, they can also benefit from natural foods found in their environment, like algae and insects. Monitoring the health of your tilapia is also crucial. Regular checks will help you spot any signs of disease or distress early on, allowing you to take remedial action. Look out for changes in behavior such as lack of appetite or unusual swimming patterns. Also, keep an eye out for physical signs of illness like discoloration or spots. Remember, your tilapia's well-being is directly linked to their environment. Maintain clean water, a balanced diet, and a stress-free setting to ensure your tilapia grow to their full potential. After all, a healthy tilapia is a productive tilapia. Proper care ensures your tilapia thrive, bringing you closer to a successful harvest. And with that, you're well on your way to becoming a successful tilapia farmer. So, here's to a bountiful harvest. You've cared for your tilapia, and now it's time for the reward: harvest. The process of harvesting tilapia is a delicate dance of timing, technique, and tenacity. So when's the right time to reap the fruits of your labor? Generally, tilapia are ready for harvest when they reach a size of about 10 to 12 inches, which is typically around 6 to 9 months from the time they were hatched. But don't just rush in with nets blazing. Remember, we're aiming for a humane and stress-free harvesting process. First, gradually decrease the water temperature over a period of a few days. This slows down the metabolism of the tilapia, making them less stressed and easier to handle. Once the water temperature has been lowered, it's time to get your hands wet. Using a seine net, you can gently herd the fish into a corner of the pond or tank. Be careful not to cause unnecessary stress or injury to the fish. The next step is to lift the net and transfer the fish into a harvest container filled with water. This should be done as quickly as possible to minimize stress. Remember, it's important to handle the fish with care and respect at all times. Now you might be wondering, should you harvest all the fish at once? Not necessarily. Partial harvesting, where you only take a portion of the fish and leave the rest to grow bigger, is often a more sustainable and profitable approach. After harvesting, it's crucial to keep the fish in a cool and calm environment. This helps to maintain their freshness and quality. And there you have it, a successful, humane harvest of your tilapia. So you've done it. You've nurtured these fish from hatchlings, watched them grow, and now you've successfully harvested them. But here's the thing about farming. It's a cycle. A beautiful, never-ending cycle of life, growth, and harvest. Congratulations, you've harvested your tilapia, but what's next? Well, stay tuned for our next segment where we'll delve into the exciting world of selling your tilapia and making a profit from your hard work. You've got your tilapia, now how do you sell them? Let's dive into the exciting world of marketing and selling your tilapia. Turning your harvest into profits might seem daunting, but with the right approach, you can make it a breeze. Start by understanding the market. Find out who's buying, what they're buying, and how much they're willing to pay. Your potential buyers could be restaurants, grocery stores, or even individual consumers. Research is key here. Understand your local market, find out the prevalent prices, and price your tilapia competitively. Next, think about how you can differentiate your product. Are your tilapia organically raised? Are they larger or tastier than the competition? Emphasize these selling points. People often pay more for quality, so don't shy away from highlighting what sets your tilapia apart. Now let's talk about finding buyers. Start local, approach restaurants and stores in your area. Offer them a sample of your tilapia. Don't forget about farmers markets and local food festivals. These can be great places to sell your product and build a customer base. Online platforms can also be a game changer. Social media, online marketplaces, and your own website are all channels through which you can reach potential customers far and wide. Remember, presentation is key. High-quality photos and engaging descriptions can make your tilapia irresistible. Meeting market demands is another important aspect. Be consistent with your supply. If you promise a restaurant 20 tilapia every week, make sure you deliver. Reliability can help you build strong relationships with your buyers and ensure repeat business. Lastly, don't forget about customer service. Whether you're dealing with a restaurant owner or an individual consumer, treat everyone with respect and professionalism. Address any concerns promptly, and always strive to exceed expectations. Remember, selling your tilapia is not just a transaction, it's about building relationships and creating a brand that people trust. So, put your best fin forward and dive into the market with confidence. Now you know the basics of tilapia farming, from setting up your farm to selling your harvest. Let's recap what we've learned today about tilapia farming. We introduced you to the world of tilapia farming, explaining how it's a sustainable and profitable venture, especially in this year of 2024. We've discussed why tilapia farming is a smart choice, due to its low maintenance, rapid growth rate, and high market demand. We dove into understanding the various tilapia species, emphasizing that the Nile tilapia is the most common one for farming, due to its hardiness and adaptability. We've highlighted the importance of identifying your target species and understanding their unique needs and characteristics. Setting up your tilapia farm was our next point of discussion. We went over the different systems you can use, including ponds, tanks, or cages, depending on your available resources and space. We also highlighted the importance of a proper filtration system and maintaining optimal water conditions for your tilapia. In the next segment, we talked about obtaining and caring for your tilapia. We stressed the significance of sourcing your fish from reputable suppliers and the necessity of a balanced diet for their growth and health. We also touched upon the importance of regular health checks to ensure a disease-free environment. Harvesting your tilapia was our next focus. We explained the signs that indicate your tilapia are ready for harvest and the methods you can use to do so. We also emphasized the importance of handling your fish with care during this process. Finally, we tackled the topic of selling your tilapia. We spoke about identifying your market, setting competitive prices, and marketing your product effectively to ensure a profitable return. So, there you have it, a comprehensive guide to tilapia farming for beginners. Remember, knowledge is power, and with the information we've provided today, you're well on your way to starting your own tilapia farm. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others interested in tilapia farming. Stay tuned for more farming know-how.